It's April 7th? 7th? Yes, it's April 7th. And here's your morning announcements or afternoon announcements, or here's your announcements for the day. So I've been thinking a lot about motivation and these grades aren't really grades right now. So what motivates you? Is it this intrinsic value that you want to do it because you want to do it? Or is it more of an extrinsic, I have a hard time with that word, sorry, where it's more of an external motivation where it's like you feel the pressure of getting a good grade or pressure from your parents or from your teachers or there's punishment, fear of punishment. So is the pressure coming from the outside forcing you to want to do it, or is it more something like, I want to do it because I want to do it? And the first one, where'd it go? There it is. Did you not have that up the whole time I was talking? That's okay. This is what I'm talking about. And I want to push towards this one, and that's the stuff that you really want to do because you want to do it. And I'm sure for a lot of you, math is not in this category. It's more in this one. But the more we can make it into that and being self-motivated and self-disciplined and getting your work done because you want to get it done, that's a life skill. So you're really being challenged right now in that area of your life. And so far, a lot of you are succeeding. So I applaud you for that. All right, mental health check-in. I say listen to music. I've been playing some music during my intros. I like to have an album going at home a lot. We listen to a lot of Imagine Dragons, as you heard last week. This week, I want to see if you know this group that I've been playing. If not, that's okay. You probably don't, but it's my favorite group. It has been for a long time. And last is the same as always. Ask questions. I got a lot today, and I love it. I know some people were actually frustrated with the IXL or getting signed in. That's okay. Just email me. I have your usernames and passwords if you forgot how to get in. But for more on that, let's turn it over to Mini-Me.
What up? Math 1 and Math 2. All right, here's what we got for today, Tuesday, April 7th. We got a lesson on factoring out the GCF, Part 1. Sorry about yesterday. I thought I had an older video that I could use. And when I got home late last night, I could not find it on my hard drive. So that's my bad. I had to supplement with a Khan Academy video, which had the exact same information that was in my video. So that's a good thing. So you should have been able to fill out your worksheet as is. If something was not presented to you in the video that's on the worksheet, please let me know. I feel like they matched pretty well if you didn't address it. So today it's going to be me teaching, and I'm going to go ahead and go through factoring out the GCF, one of my favorite lessons. There's a worksheet to supplement that. There are 18 questions, and the answer key is right there. So that shouldn't take you too long. If we do a few together during the lesson and you do a few on your own, that should be okay. It's not like I'm going to know if you completed the worksheet. It's on your own. It's your intrinsic value speaking to you, I hope. The IXLs, I can see how long you worked on IXL. I can see how many questions you answered. Remember in the message yesterday, if you watched that, you should be watching these. You only have to do it for 10 minutes. If you want to go longer, that's totally up to you. If you want to get to a certain number because you feel like you should, that's okay too. I'm not putting that pressure on you. I'm just saying get 10 minutes of practice in on the skill that was taught that day. And this IXL matches that skill. Okay, last thing. We're going to try to play a Quizlet. Be ready. Some kids ask me, will there be like a Zoom going along with the Quizlet? I'm not prepared to do that tomorrow or today. But if it goes well, I could try to attempt that for Thursday. As you see, I've got one planned for Thursday as well. And I don't know. Maybe that's a better way to do it so we can see each other. For right now, it's just going to be the Quizlet. I'll display the code, and then, we'll just play. So you won't know who's going to win until they win. But you'll kind of have an idea of how your group is doing, of course. We'll play 3 or 4 times. That's all I want. All right, guys, back to this guy.
Thank you, Mini-Me. That was very informative. Thank you for that.